Hi viewers, welcome back to my review family channel. Today, as you can see, I'm holding something that today I want to be a carpenter. So I want to welcome you, and first I want to say thank you very much for your support. We do appreciate a lot for your giving, the watch hour you are giving us, and we want to say thank you for your comments, for sharing our video, for liking our videos. So may God bless you for that. And for those people who are not yet subscribed to our channel, I will request them kindly to play that cabel there, so that they can subscribe and assist us to reach 1,000 subscribers. Today I want to make a feeding trough, a wood feeding trough. I have been having a challenge when feeding my chicken, so I have decided to have one, so that I can able to reduce the time I'm wasting, and also to make sure that I feed, when I want to feed my chicken, I can feed them once and then I have time to do something else. So I will show you the challenge I have there in my coop, my chicken coop there, so that you can understand what I'm trying to mean. And for now, before I continue starting making my feeding trough, I want to welcome my wife Star, just to greet you, just to say hi, to see maybe she can add something you can able to enjoy. So welcome.
Hi guys, how are you? How are you doing? How have you been? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, anytime that you are watching this video, guys. Welcome back, and welcome all of you to see today what my husband is going to do. I'm also learning, I'll be learning how to do that carpentry work. He has been so creative. I want to see how he's going to make the wood trough, that one for feeding, because I was expecting for him to go and buy one, and now he has decided to make one. So I'm so happy, because I'm going also to learn from him to see what he's going to do. Also join us in this video. Maybe you'll also learn in that one how you can make one at your home. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you for loving us. We also love you so much. Thank you for giving us the watch hours. Continue watching our videos, continue sharing, continue giving us your comments and your like. We read all of them and we are so happy. We appreciate them so much. So go together with us, see what we are going to do until we finish, and we show you the trough when it will be finished. Welcome.
Our viewers, as you can see, I'm holding two timbers here. This is the one I'm going to use to make my trough here, my feeding trough, this one. So as you can see, so I'm going to measure them. I don't need a big one because of the space, so I'm going to measure this one. This one is, I'm using it as a we call it the base of my trough. So I'm going to measure here up to here. I use my nail, I don't have a pencil. This trough, purposely, I want to make this trough for feeding my chicken with when I want to put my mixture of potatoes and the maize that have been crushed, so that I can able to save time. Yes, Lucy, can you come here? Say hi. Say hi to our viewers.
Hi viewers, my name is Lucy.
Yes.
Welcome to my review family channel.
Yes.
Today I'm coming here to see my daddy how is doing.
Yeah, I want to do to make a feeding trough here. Yes. For feeding our chicken. Yes. How was your day, Lucy?
It's good.
Yes.
Yes.
You have finished doing homework?
Yes.
Good. Also, mine was good. Now, I think that size is very good. Then I'm going to cut. I want to make a very simple feeding trough.
Using the locally available materials.
Yes. I think this side is very okay. The challenge is that it's very heavy.
Oh yeah.
Let me reduce it using the machete here. This is how we do it here. We don't complicate. I don't have the good machine to. You know, I'm doing this to reduce the weight of the timber. It's very heavy. And you have to be very careful not to damage the timber. Yeah. The other reason why I'm doing this, mother, you know, when you put here in the coop, the chicken coop, when it's very heavy, just in case maybe a sting, maybe
it cuts.
It can kill your chicken.
It can hurt them.
Yeah, it can hurt them.
Wow.
So it's better to put something not heavy.
That is light.
Yeah.
And the saw cannot do that work.
Who?
The saw. The saw that you are using.
Yeah, you cannot use the saw here. Yeah. The easiest thing you can use is machete. Yeah. You see? You can show the viewers. I have reduced the
size,
the weight of that timber. Yeah. So my feeding trough will not be very heavy. think now is okay.
It's not heavy now.
It's not heavy.
What about the other side? Oh, you're not using it?
Let me first cut the
size.
The size that I need. Then after that I'm going to that size is very good. So I can use my nail to mark, because I need the same size like this one. The other side. So I use my saw to cut. I want to make a very simple. Side. Yeah. So that one is okay. So you look for the other side to see.
Oh, you need more than
almost enough this one. Wow, how lucky I am. I'm going to only adjust very
one side even.
Yeah, very small. First remove this knot. I'm looking for this one. See if it can favor me.
Even that one is okay.
The problem is here.
Oh.
Yeah. Let me use this one. can use this machete. Look as if you are using the langa.
To line it up.
Yes, line it. Yeah. Let me measure. Very small. Very small. Yeah. I think now we can start joining our trough. Which side is better? Is this one or you put this?
This one should be outside, I think. That way.
That way?
Or how do you think?
You know, you're assisting me with ideas.
Yeah, I think that way. According to me, it's better.
It's better? Good.
So now you want to join there?
This is the base, and then the sides, both sides, I have to join them. Yes. So let me look one here. I think I want to use 1.5. I think it will be more better. That is my hammer. See here. So viewers, continue watching as I continue making my trough.
Yeah. Tell them to continue subscribing.
It's true.
Yeah.
Keep subscribing to our channel.
Yes.
Keep sharing.
For sure.
Keep liking our videos.
Yeah.
And also to remind those people who have not yet subscribed to our channel to please to subscribe to our channel to assist us to reach 1,000 subscribers. Is mother, the reason why I came with this idea, I have seen that I'm wasting a lot of time in the morning.
Yeah.
Oh, 2 inches. This one. This is my tool. You can see where I put my nails.
Your box.
Yeah.
Your toolbox.
My toolbox. Yes.
There's a lot of smoke.
In Africa, we don't complicate things. We use what we have. Yeah. You can see the viewers.
One side now is ready.
Yeah. Yeah. You can add here one.
Yeah, another nail there.
Yes. I want something that is firm.
More strong.
Yeah. You can see?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good one. This side.
Yeah, that way.
You can use this one. And I look for 2 inches.
Yeah.
I see yes, places you need two.
Oh, a big place.
Sorry?
A big one?
Yeah, more bigger than the one I'm using. It's the challenge.
Because of the size of the wound.
Sorry?
The tiba, because of the size.
That's why I was trying to remove this one. I have to make sure it's flushed. You need 2 inches. Let me look for it to see if I can find a 2 inch. Yeah, I have them. Oh.
Yes.
It's okay, but not very firm. Oh, how lucky! I'm not lucky.
Hey.
The nails are not.
They're not getting inside.
Where I'm supposed to be.
You have to remove all of it.
Let's remove it. Make sure that I put where it's supposed to fit well. When you see when it fits well, my trough will be very firm. That one is very good. See?
It has gone to hell already.
Yes. So let me look for another one.
Oh, the nails.
Yeah, the 2-inch. Oh, I find one. I need to buy another nails. I'm seeing my toolbox doesn't have 2-inch nails.
No, that one you have taken is not 2.
Yeah, this one is 2.
Okay.
This one is 1.5.
And the first one, you did it very fast.
Yeah, you know, the wood is very heavy. It have a lot of big service than the other one.
Well,
That's the challenge I have.
Okay. But at least, at long last, it have to accept.
Yeah, it have to. Let me try another area. But here 1.5 is okay. Yeah. Let me know how to use.
It seems for 1.5 they are just getting in very fast.
Yeah, you know also the service.
Oh, the size.
The service is also very big.
Oh, of the timber.
Yeah, of the timber. That's why you see I'm looking. I'm changing the place
position.
Is 1.5. Very good.
That one has get in well. Now you have the trough.
Now my
about
trough.
the sides.
The size, but very heavy.
Yeah, it is heavy.
So when I'm keeping there, I have to make sure that I have tied very well.
Oh.
Yeah.
What about this one? I think it is better here.
That one is no problem.
You make it,
The only thing I can do is to add another nail here. So it can be very firm. Not lucky. You see the problem is there. Now
it's firm.
Very firm. I think, Mother, this one is going to assist a lot in my feeding. Then I'm going to put here the stopper.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. You see?
Oh, yeah. To make sure that the food is not dropping.
Yes, you have to put a good one.
Yeah, that one is...
when my chicken are feeding in this trough, I'm getting a challenge because of this one. This one is not holding my food that I made here locally. The mixture of potatoes and maize that had been crushed. I do mix them. So when I'm putting here, they are not enough space. So I want to create another trough, wooden trough, so that they can assist me to have a big space to feed my chicken. So it's a big challenge. So I feed them once in the morning. When I put here, so you can see, I want to put here commercial food here because I think it's more safe. And then I create another one, the wooden, so that I can put my potatoes, my local food that I mix. So when I feed them once, I save time. I stop feeding them at the evening. So keep watching as I continue making that trough.
You're looking for the side timbers.
Yeah. So I can cut.
Yeah, you put it that way.
Let me see if it's going to be enough.
It will be enough.
This one I can fit it inside. So let me cut. Then let me have a good.
Eight.
It's 8. 20 centimeters. Accuracy is the key. Accuracy is the key. Using the available resources. Very simple.
Yeah.
We don't complicate it.
Very simple work.
Yeah, I think 1.5 is be very okay for me. Why is it bending? Sure.
This thing needs patience.
Yeah.
Is it?
When you are doing carpentry,
If you are not patient,
don't force things.
Yeah.
Yeah. Even in engineering, when you are doing engineering, don't force things. Let be automatic things. You force things, you mess up. I don't know why. That timber is very seems it's very hard.
I think they're not of the same type with the other one.
Yeah, it seems this one seems very hard.
It's a hardwood.
Yeah. You see, every nail I'm using, it's almost bending. But who am I? I have to make sure.
I have to keep on trying.
My feet trough is
ready.
Yeah. You see? Also the nails.
They are short.
Not short. They are very weak.
Oh.
Yeah. So it doesn't need a lot of force. You just apply slowly by slowly. You see? Yeah. When you are not forcing it,
it is you who are using a lot of energy.
Yeah. I'm really happy.
Last side. You're doing the last lap.
Yeah. Oh yeah, but cut the other one. Oh. Is it okay?
You just fit.
But I wish I could have another one.
A big one?
A big one. Let me look for one. This one?
Yeah. It is covering well.
Yeah.
It is not leaving some spaces.
A small space. That one is not a big issue. I'm going to deal with it.
Okay.
Yes. Oh. I have to measure. Need 22.
So one side is bigger.
Yeah. You know, mother, I did this one.
Yes.
Very long time ago.
You made one?
Yeah. I think when we were doing, I think in primary school. Yes, that's time we were doing
art and craft.
Yes.
10 on a joint. Was it 10 on a joint?
No. Our teacher told us you have to make a trough.
Oh.
one is more better than the other one. To add 2 inches.
Oh, that thing has been so stressed to close.
Yeah.
At least. The nails are so tough.
Yeah. So let us try to move.
Oh, to straighten this one.
Yes. My viewers, you can see I've already made my trough. Yeah, it's finished. So I'm only going to look for something to tie here. To have a string that is going to support me or to support the trough. So it's because it's not very advisable to put down. Yeah. Oh,
it will be up.
Or if it's not that way, I make sure I put maybe stones. I can apply stones.
Yeah.
Because I'm feeling it's very heavy.
Hey, I also wonder how is it going
my
to
chicken
hang.
to be very secure. I look for stones.
You press it on.
I press it up.
Yeah.
Yeah, it will be more safe. Yeah. Wow.
I can see Maggie there. Let her say hi.
Hey, Maggie, come and see. I have made a feeding trough here. This one, I'm going to use it for a chicken here, there, to feed my chicken.
Oh.
You see?
Yes.
How does it look like?
It is look beautiful.
Yeah.
Yes.
Your dad have tried.
Yeah.
Good.
Say hi to our viewers.
Hi, my name is Maggie. Please subscribe, share, and like.
Yes.
You see, Maggie? Yeah, I know you are learning art and craft at school.
Yes.
This one you are going to be made to be told to make one like this one. Yes.
Will you be able to make?
No.
You will try that day.
You are going to learn. It's okay. So our viewers, you have seen my process of making my feeding trough here in Kenya, specifically in Nyandarua County. So I want to say thank you very much for your support and watching our videos. So keep watching, keep sharing, and may God bless you. And for now I'm saying goodbye.
Bye bye.
Until next video, keep watching.
Yeah.